Opposition politics is as strong as ever, with the EFF occupying those benches.
We are going to continue to push and hold them accountable for implementation and for delivery.
Lidlanzana lemacembe epolitiki laphikisaka ePhalamende lithi lo mbuso welibumbano wavelonke awukamuki emandla emacembe laphikisako.
Pushing community the law up to their own hands. They must assist the police in apprehending any perpetrators within the community.
Emaphoyisa asePinari eMpumalanga asolwa ngekungasukumela eTulu kute uphenya emacala lamakhulu kulendzawo.
It's about winning this test match. That's what we want to do.
Captain Numa Springboks yakolisi uthi lokumgcoka kulomdlalo series impumelelo. Asibingelele mbukeli sikwamukele tindzaba tesiswati like SABC. Khumbula ke mbukeli kusilethe indzaba tiyatfolakala ku YouTube, Facebook, X na ku SABC Plus. Lidlanzana lemacembe epolitiki laphikisako ePhalamende lithi lo mbuso welibumbano wavelonke awukamuki emandla emacembe laphikisako kude kube nginyalo ke yasalishumi emacembu lavume kuhlanganyela neANC kulombuso welibumbano wavelonke kwanyalo emacembe lafaka ekhathi EFF, MK Party neAction SA asishaye ngenhlaneke lasicelo sekuthi abe ingcenye yalombuso.
Etinhlanganweni letilishumi nesiphohlongo letisePhalamende tilishumi nakunye tingcenye yolubumbano lwembuso wavelonke noma ke iGNU. Labo labangambisana nohulumende olubumbano wavelonke banengabata emandla abo njengalabo labaphikisako. Kepha iEFF yathembisa ukuthi setawubuya isikhathi lesithe kuhulumende wesikhombisa kusukela athola inkululeko.
Opposition politics is as strong as ever, with the EFF occupying those benches. And the truth is that opposition politics became its strongest with the EFF's entry in Parliament in 2014.
Engcenye yayo iAction SA yethembise labo belwenjiswana ukuthi batalufota lolu mandi. Ne-MK ngalokunjalo ime emavini Action SA.
What we're saying is, come a time very shortly, we are going to continue to push and hold them accountable for implementation and for delivery. But they won't be able to do that because they'll be arguing on policy. So who's going to win? Us as the incoming government.
Njengoba etinhlathi nibandzakanye nembuso olubambiswana wavelonke tucela umsebenzi wato labanye bathi ngendeka simo setepolitiki sibe ngileso lesihle nobe lesibi kule minyaka lesihlanu letako.
Etinyangeni letilishumi nakunye letengcile bese uvele uhlongodwa uhulumende welibumbiswano tinkulumo mpikiswano tavelonke ekubuseni ekubambisana tabanjwa eNyuvesi yaseNtshonalanga Kapa iUniversity of Western Cape ngenyanga yengci emalanga lamabili nyakenye. Nanobe kunjalo ke akunamgomo yemthetho leyabekwa nalokhu bekwabhala umculo letibophelelo ngesikhathi saletinkulumo mpikiswano lebequkethe bosopolitiki tati kanye netakhamoti takuleli.
Timba ukuthi alikho licembu lelitawutfola emavoti lamaningi langu-50 wema% kuya eTulu ekubusa velonke noma kuletinye tifundza tibonakele nakubanjwa tingcoco. Paul Mashatile bekavumile ukuthi lubumbano beluvele lutoba khona.
You will have seen our discussion, ladies and gentlemen, which is entitled A Policy Framework Towards Stable Governance. It makes the important point that, and I quote, coalitions are an unmistakable expression of choices that the electorate has made.
Lokunye lobekhatsata kwabatizatfu letitawukwenda tinhlangano tisebente ngekubambisana.
Parties that are entering into coalition governments are only entering into coalition governments on the positions for power, for control, and most importantly for financial resources.
Emva kwalenkulumo mpikiswano labo bebayibambile babeka isexwayiso sekuthi leli lingahle libe netinkinga tekulimata intsandvo yelunyenti uma kude imigomo uma lingekho licembu leliphumelela ngemalengiso.
Need leadership.
Emacembu langena embusweni welubumbano wavelonke avumelene encwadini yesivumelwano sekusebenza. Kanti kuthethe emaviki lamabili ukuthi kubunjwe uhulumende njengoba emacembu asabonile ukuthi inhlangano letinyenti velonke kanye netesifundza tibaliciniso lohlaka lwetemthetho lolulawula kubambisana losetawulethwe eParliament kude kwakhiwe umthetho.
Luphiko lwalabasha ku-ANC eGauteng livakalise ukukhathateka ngekungabi nebantu labasha labanele elihlwini libaphathiswa labamenyetelwe nguVunankulu Panyaza Lesufi. Bathi-ke bafuna afake abantu labasha labanele likhono. Lesufi umemetele baphathiswa labalishumi labafake ekhathi laba libe basolo bakhona kuhulumende wakhe waphambilini. Labanye baphathiswa labayingcenye yalo hulumende welubumbano wavelonke bafake ekhathi emalunga e-IFP, PA neRise Mzansi. Lolu phiko ke belikhulumisana nebetindzaba lamuhla eJozi.
Ophiko lwentsha lwe-ANC esifundazweni eGauteng alizange lokhu luyalena le lutha leneme ngenqumo ezithathiwe nabantu abaqokiwe beqokela ikhabhinethi lesifundazwe.
In the appointment and setting up of the administration, the Youth League is deeply disappointed and strongly condemns a decision by the ANC to consciously exclude young people in the executive under the age of 35.
Lolu phiko luthi lizobonana ke nopholi bayo iANC esifundazweni ukuze bathola ukucaciseleka kabanzi ngenqumo ezithathiwe bafuna kuNdunankulu ukuthi ke ayibukeze lezi nqumo ayithathile.
It would be injustice to the youth of Gauteng if the Premier exclude young people to form part of this 7th administration. It's necessarily a vote of no confidence to young people of Gauteng. That's why we are calling the ANC to reconsider.
Ophiko lwentsha lwe-ANC esifundazweni eGauteng luthi ke abantu asebekhulile abaphume kungene intsha ezosebenza.
We will meet the leadership of the ANC. There are many more issues that we want them to cover. Not only a young person in the executive. We said we want 50% of HODs in this new administration to be young people under the age of 35. And we have them, they've studied, they're ready to serve the 7th administration. Government can't be an old age home for old people to get their pensions.
NguCalvin wakwaDludla, endabeni ze-SABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.
Mbukeli yaxwayisa ngekuthi lo mbiko lolandzelako uyahedla kulabavelako. Emaphoyisa asePinari eMpumalanga solo ngekungasukumile eTulu kude uphenye emacala lamakhulu kulendzawo. Takhamuthi solo lishaqekile. Tigcide titibambele tona ngekwato. Emva kwaloko umsolo ubese ukhomba lapho angcwabe khona Junior Mabandla loneminyaka lesithupha kanye na Peaceful Khoza loneminyaka lemithathu.
Takhamuthi litishaqekile. Lokhu kulandzela ukuthi libhungu lelineminyaka lelishumi nesiphohlongo lisolo ngekubulawa kwabantwana nalababili boJunior Mabandla na Peaceful Khoza. Sithumbu saJunior sitfolakala sicuyiwe uma sigujwa lapho besingcwatshwa ethuneni lalomunye umuntu bese kuthi sa Peaceful Khoza sitfolakala sishisiwe nasigujwa.
The community looked for Junior for a month. The police didn't help at all. It was quiet. We found the suspect ourselves. The police are not doing their job. We apprehended the suspect ourselves. Where were the police? While we have so many police officers.
Tiphathimandla takulesifundza tivakashele imindeni kanti tethembise ukuthi titawenda luphenyo.
Investigation is continued. We are not stopping. We are going on doing investigation. We believe that there's still more that we can actually uncover from this situation.
Pushing community that they must not take the law up to their own hands. They must assist the police in apprehending any perpetrators within the community so that we'll be able to find the justice and the justice will take its course.
Lo msolo satawubeka amacala okubulala kanti usalashwa esibhedlela njengoba umphakathi umshayile.
Kuletinyeke nasibuye titolo. Kunemuntu longatiwa lohamba shisa tindlu netimoto tebantfu emlihlane ezebediyele Limpopo. Asikwamukele mbukele esigabeni sesibili seTzabate Siswati wende kahle wakhetha sina sekhona hlala nathi. Kunemuntu longadiwa lohamba shisa tindlu netimoto tebantfu emlihlane ezebedele Limpopo. Takhamuti letikhatsatekile titsi lo mshisi ubuka kakhulu timoto letime ngaphandle ebusuku kanye netindlu. Kwanya lokusho timoto letilishumi.
Kushiswa kwetimoto netindlu kumise umango wemoleklane naletinye tindzawo mandondolwane njalo ebusuku. Ganzi letakhamuti titsi lo muntfu wenta lesento ebusuku nje kuphela. Kusukela nga-2020 sekushiswe timoto letingemashumi lamathathu etigodzini letahlukene. Umango ufuna kuboshwe lo mshisi.
2:10 I had something like my car moving or starting the engine. Then I woke up, went to the next bedroom. When I flip the curtain, I found that my car is burning.
I just heard a little sound outside, like something is running, like maybe a dog is running over a bucket or something. And then I woke up. When I opened the window to check what was going on was when I saw the flame of the fire burning underneath the car.
Emaphoyisa asaphenya.
According to information, was awoken by the explosion. She went outside to investigate and noticed that the white Nissan Navara, which was parked next to their house, and some property inside their house were on fire.
Takhamuti tikholelwa ukuthi letigebengu tingayekela lesendo uma masipala angafaka emalambu etitalatini.
Njalo nakunelkhetfo kumbe kunetinguquko kucabinet nalokunye kusho lokumbala nje lirandi linendenga nobelahlekelwe ngemandla etimakethe temhlaba kepha ke kuva kabandi ngaloku samukela sati setemnotfo Bongani Mahlangu sikubingelele sikwamukele tindzabeni.
No ngathanda ukuthi nami ngibingelele lapha e-studio nababukeli emakhaya.
Mahlangu ngacacisela mbukeli ukuthi kahle kahle lirandi liwana kwende njani nekuthi licontrolwa kuphi futhi.
Alright, no ngiyabonga. So nasicheka ukuthi yini elona influencer i-currency yethu. Kuba izinto eziningi but ngizoqala la ngokuthi i-currency yethu into esibiza ukuthi i-free floating currency akusi-fixed currency. I-free floating currency i-currency etreatwa njenga wonke ama-commodity akhona ku-market, sikhuluma njengabo gold, abo silver, ama-precious metals, na yonke into etradwayo ku-open stock market. So usho ukuthi price yakhona i-determinwa yi-demand and supply. Nakunabantu abaningi abayifunayo kudlula lokho bakhona ukuthola izo-appreciate. Nakunabantu abaningi kunabantu abayifunayo and then thola ukuthi yona i-supply idlula labantu labo izo-depreciate. So lokho kwenzeka every second ngoba abantu ba-trade every second. Then kuzeke izinto ezinjengabo-political, economic stability, kuzizinto ezinjengabo-inflation, ama-interest rate, ama-balance of payment, namanye ama-variables adetermine ukuthi ilona irand lizoba kanjani, maybe according to i-dollar, i-pound or any other yama-foreign currency lawa ezabe iqathaniswa. So lokho kudeterminwa ama-market. So and kumele sikhumbule ukuthi nasithi ama-market sikhuluma ngama-speculator. Ama-speculator sikhuluma ngabantu abanjengami nawe khona, but yazini ama-elections ngibona ngathi inhlangano eso izowina, eso izodliwa or eso izosebenza neso, and eso the way ngakhona ayisi abantu bafavor into eso, and then labo bantu labo ke bayadecide ukuthi it's either babamba ama-investment wabo in terms of ukuthenga irandi or ukuthengisa irandi or amanye ama-investment wabo ukuthi baya-investa bawashiya njalo or baya-divesta sho ukuthi baphula out of economy, and then lokho kuba nekena nentela kurandi yethu. So siboneke lapho liyaphezulu liyaphansi lemasayidini.
Kuba nembika kwemahlange ukuthi lirandi belingendi kahle ngembi kokuthi mengamela memetele ecabinet yakhe ngenxa yokuthi bekungacaci kahle ukuthi DA ne-ANC tambatha ingubo yinye nobe cha sikhuluma nge-GNU. Yini imbangela ya ivelana nelicembu tsite nobe cha?
Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi irandi lithengiswa ama-speculator. Ama-speculator abantu. So labantu labo banama-bias wabo. Sho ukuthi khona abantu bebathandayo, khona abantu bangabathandi. So nakuba njengama-elections manje, labo bantu labo bayahlala labahlala khona babheke ukuthi okay uZibani akangasebenza noZibani chances are kuzoba ne-political stability, kuzoba ne-economic stability nokukhula kwe-economy, kuzoba ne-social stability. So labo bantu labo ke nabazodecide ukuthi okay nje asibehave kanje in terms of ukuthenga nokuthengisa irand or ama-investment wabo. But nababona ukuthi okay mhlambe njengokuthiwa if i-ANC beyisebenza nabo MK, sebenza nabo EFF, labo bantu labo babona ngathi hayi laba nabangasebenzisani angeke kube ne-stability, and then ke nakulana ke ebadonsa khona ama-investment wabo. So lama speculator lawo abantu labo bantu labo babukela indaba njengami nawe then benza ama-decision ngalokho ebakubonayo kwenzakala endabeni. So sho ukuthi labo bantu labo nababona ukuthi ANC izosebenzisana kahle ne-DA and kuzokhulisa umnotho wezwe, kuzoba ne-stability socially, political ne-economical, then ke nabaphampa ama-investment. So and nabantu abangaphandle kwezwe lethu nabo bayabona ukuthi okay laba nabangasebenzisana kusho ukuthi kuzoba ne-stability, and then ke nabafaka ama-investment wabo. Nabafaka ama-investment wabo kulana esibona khona irand lethu liqina nasilicompare nama-major currencies wasemhlabeni, kakhulukazi nasikompare ne-dollar. So ekugcineni abantu ebayenza lama decision and bawenza babheke nabo ukuthi bakholelwa ukuthi ini izoba njani. But isikhathi nasiloko siyaphambili nasikhuluma ngento esibiza ukuthi i-long run, kuba nalento ebathi equilibrium la ekubalansa khona. Sho ukuthi abantu sebayabona ukuthi oh le government lena isebenza kanje, and then ke lapho ke kulana ke sibona khona ama-indices or sithi i-foreign exchange or i-rand selithoma ukustabilizer. But kwamanje lizoperforma ngendlela eliperforma ngayo, ngendlela ukuthi abantu
Mahlanga sibambe lapho ngenxa yesikhathi sethu. Ngibongani Mahlangu sadise temnotho wasicacisela kabanti ngedelrandi. Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi ingabe kulibeka esimeni lesikahle yini leli ukuthi njalo nakuthikametheka nobeke nakuthinzeka licembu letepolitiki itside lirandi lindenga ndenge uphendvule ngalendlela.
Akuvuma ukuthi ngikhole ukuthi ingoba kuthinteka iqembu elithize kwezepolitiki. Uzokhumbula ukuthi kuye kwavela ngaphambilini kwenye amakhomishana ukuthi kunabathile abathi irandi bazoluyisa. Ubaba khona akabathi futhi abaluyise bona bazolivusa. So inhloso nje zabathize abakwazi abanamandla.
Isimo sokuntengantenga kwerandi uma ngabe kushintsha iqembu ngicabanga ukuthi kubeka esimene sibe kakhulu izwe lethu njengeningizimu Afrika. So ke nje izinto lezi ngempela ezisikhathaza kakhulu.
Le randi leyo uMzansi Afrika ibanjwe ngobhongwana ngongqwankulu bayenza ngesibomu lento leni inobuhlangi noqhophololo futhi ngaphezulu.
Amazwe amaningi esikhathi esiningi ayabheka kulolu lizwe ukuthi liphi iqembu eliphethe ngaleso sikhathi. So ukushintsha kweqembu ikona ukwenza ukuthi irandi lithenge. So into ejwayelekile nabamanye amazwe ifumana ushintsha amaqembu esikhathi esiningi ngeke kuze kube right like South Africa njengenohulumeni obambiswana ngeke lingantengantengi irandi.
Ukuntenga kwaleli randi kusibizela ukuthi fanele sibuyele emhlabathini silime ukuze sikwazi ukuphila nabantu bethu ngoba izinto ziyadula ziyabiza nerandi lehlala yenyuka.
Umbono wembukeli SABC ngeke ethwesa kudiphendvulela ngawo. Umholi we-Labour Party e-United Kingdom Keir Starmer wethembise Takamoti takulela live ukuthi utawusebenzela kuletha tidzingo ncandi. Lokho ke kutange emva kokuthi inhlangano leholwa nguye iphumelele likhetho igucise i-Conservative Party leholwa nguRishi Sunak leseyibuse iminyaka leli-14. Akhuluma nesive kokucala Starmer ubonge kakhulu ubonge wethembisa ukuthi utawuhola uhulumende lotawuletha lithemba esiveni.
People here and around the country have spoken, and they're ready for change, to end the politics of performance, a return to politics as public service. The change begins right here, because this is your democracy and your future. You have voted. It is now time for us to deliver.
Kwehla kwemandla emali kulinzeleke ukuthi kunciphe eminyakeni lemibili letako lokwenyusa lithemba lekuthi itawuncishiswa imali imboleko ngekwelicwaningo lwe-Bureau for Economic Research ngekwesilinganiso kwehla kwemandla emali kutawuba ku-5.3 lonyaka. Bahlati bomnotfo bosomabhizinisi kanye netikhulu tetinyunyana bathi kulinzeleke ukuthi tindvo tehle nga 0.1% kulomnyaka. Letindzaba ke letinambithekako kumthengi lobukene nendalo lesetulu kumalimboleko.
Why it's subsiding at this stage is because the Reserve Bank's policy seems to be working at this stage. You know that they hiked interest rate a lot up until last year of bringing down inflation, and we can see now that in the expectations it is coming down. The rand also strengthened a little bit against the US dollar and other currencies on the international markets. And that makes our response a bit more positive. So that brings down inflation. And just the mere fact that the forward guidance that the Reserve Bank gives to the market, that they say they aim to bring inflation lower, people are adhering to that, and they take that into mind when they look forward. And of course, that the actual inflation rate has been coming down. The prices that people experience in the shops, in the services that they buy, those increases have been a little bit more subdued compared to what it was last year. So they don't feel those vigorous price pressures at this stage. And that also influenced their feeling of what inflation is and how they view it going forward.
Kanzi ke makethe imali lirandi lehlile naliqhathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Kanzi ke temidlalo Captain wema Springboks yakolisi uthi lokumcoka kulomdlalo wakusasa wema Test Series impumelelo. Ema Springboks atawutfola netulu nele Island kusasa eLoftus Versfeld ePitoli. Kolisi uthi njengoba lelicembu lema Springboks la kamuva mange lahlula eIsland kungako kubalekile ukuthi liphumelele kulomdlalo. Asiphoseke tinzambo siyembombela sive ukuthi Dan Dlamini usiphathele tipi lethambe embili kuletiphume mbiteni kulugwala FM ngosithi tsini mnakethu.
Angithathe ngadododo embili lamabuza ngivusele kuwe ngivusele nakuyombukele ekhaya ngisho nje ukuthi umbukelele kangakulenzela ehlelweni kufaka ekhathi naye lethi tiyachubeka diphathimandla takulesifunda seMpumalanga nekuvakashela imindeni yebantwana basefinari lekusolakala ukuthi bathunjiwe babese babulawa kanzi ngetulu kwaloko titobeke takhamuthi tasemkhondo kuselesifunda seMpumalanga tisuse umbhekisho njengoba tikhala ngekungathulwa kahle kwetinsita mbukeli ngiletina letinye longadlinzela emkhathini wensimbi yesithupha neyesikhombisa ehlelweni letiphuma imbetheni kumsakato likwala FM lamabuza nguselethi nzambo kuwe Jose.
Asibonge kakhulu ngosithi kucala phaketa lamuhla asiphinze sihlangane ngalokutaka enzaweni lefanako impela sonto ayibe ngilehle.